Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download any YouTube video. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your YouTube application on your mobile device, and then first of all, if you want to download your own video, you need to click on the U button at the bottom right. Here it is. Then scroll down and find your videos option right up here. And then you will see all your uploaded videos on your YouTube channel. So if you want to download one of them, you need to click on the three dots button next to it. Here it is. And then click on the Save to Device button. So after that you need to wait a little bit, and then this video will be saved to your gallery. So you can go to your gallery application and check this video. So click on the OK button. But if you want to download any other YouTube video, so open any video you want. So and then under this channel name, so you will see different options like share, remix, and then the next option is download. You need to click on that one button, download. Here it is. And then you need to choose quality. So as you can see, I have no YouTube Premium subscription. That means that I can't download videos like this. So if you want to download any other videos, you need to subscribe to YouTube Premium. So you can also click on the try it for free and then download it. If you downloaded a video, you need to go to your to U button again. Here it is, to this page, scroll down, and then you will see here under your videos button, you will see downloads button, and then you need to click on that one button, and then you will see all your downloaded videos. So, and that's all, and that's how to download any YouTube video. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.